Welcome to Travelomania, and today we are eagerly waiting for the Vande Bharat Express that will take us from Chandigarh to Delhi. The Vande Bharat Express is one of the prime movers, I would say, in the Make in India campaign. This is the beautiful aerodynamical engine, and this, if you notice, is the driver's seat from where he drives the Vande Bharat Express. We are in the Chandigarh railway station, and as you see, the Vande Bharat Express just zooms in front of our eyes. There are 16 coaches, automatically controlled doors, and it looks very clean and tidy. The windows are huge, providing ample light, and let's see what is in there. Of the art technology with lights, sound, amazing seats, comfortable ones, and water for every passenger. The food provided was good on a rainy evening, and you really can be assured of an amazing travel journey.